Traditionally in the building materials industry or commercial buildings or home buildings, customers are used to hitting the road, accessing materials, sampling the materials on the road along with their designers and architects. But now with the Blinkits and all of these apps coming in, there's a tectonic change in how customers want to experience the journey of building a home or a commercial space. So what we are now looking at is integrating this whole cycle, the customer life cycle of design, accessing samples, understanding materials, then playing around with the design and building combinations of these samples, and finally selecting what materials they want to build their building with. So this whole experience is now being digitized, and we are reaching out to customers and helping them with the design part. Now, after design comes the execution, right? And with execution also, we are planning for premium services where we can engage influencer community, which could be an architect, an engineer, as common place as a mason or a carpenter, and help them design a building of their choice. It could be interiors, exteriors, what kind of materials they want to select. So all of these are being integrated using the latest MarTech platforms. We are also creating an omni-channel experience for our customers, our dealers, distributors, and the influencer community, which is the whole designer, architect, the masons, the carpenters, the painters, and plumbers. For us, creating this customer delight, leveraging digital platforms is a focus area currently. I think that's how we are planning for this track. See, the first thing that comes to our mind when we talk about tech training is hiring tech talent. But what we should not miss is creating that tech talent within the business community. This is what we call citizen developers, right? So creating this talent within the business community, training somebody that understands the process on, say, an analytics platform or a data lake platform is much more fruitful in the long term than hiring pure play technical resources. So what we have done is we have launched a digital academy. We are getting professors from renowned institutes to train our folks. And we are also getting certifications done and creating these digital business translators. And then we also give them digital and analytics use cases to deliver value for the organization. While we are doing this, we are partnering with premier institutes like ISBs and IIMs and the Institute of Statistical Sciences from Calcutta, and hiring talent from these institutes who are trained and have some hands-on experience in developing and deploying these tools. So that's how we are approaching this two-pronged way, creating a community of digital business translators and creating a community of technical analysts. The ETCIO Conclave for FY24, I think calendar year 24 has been a great congregation of some of the best tech talent out there, CIOs, CXOs, partner ecosystem. I think for me, one key takeaway from this year's event has been the amazing spread of offerings from partners which can expedite the digital transformation journey of organizations like ours. So for me, what would ideally have taken a couple of months to understand as an ecosystem, I think that has been condensed into 3 days and beautifully placed before technology folks like me. So thanks to ETCIO for organizing this event and for inviting folks like me to take away a lot of value from this event.